Oh, me and Metabone gonna have us a little race now. Metabone ready. Alright, Metabone. What do you want to do?
I guess we'll race.
Alright.
Race around here?
Yeah, what, how many laps? 20? I don't have nobody for 20 laps, but maybe. Alright, Metabone ready. Set, go, Metabone!
Whoa! Goddamn, I got off the...
Want to restart, Metabone? Go ahead with the
I
restart.
got a new battery, that's why.
Ah, yeah, I'm going in slow motion, Metabone. First lap. Ah, then you just go like a 1.5 hour speed lap, Metabone. Hey man, I don't have to put a 3 on mine, man. I'm gonna keep up with yours. I see the way they come up, but just keep it tight, man. Keep it tight, man. Oh! Oh! What that knock out you looking at? Looks like a 5-6 laps already.
I gotta get back to the groove now.
You see the only way for me to keep you over you is get a real time, man. Oh, we got cars coming, man. You got cars coming.
Here comes a car. There we go.
Man, if I'm landing on this wheel.
It just don't fucking amazing.
What happened? Yeah, but I guess we'll continue. The only way I'm gonna reach, I gotta stay tight to the course, man.
Don't fuck up now, because I'm coming, guys.
I know you are. Yeah. Look, I ain't going to thread.
Close.
I got an inside laser with both on Kevin.
Whoa, son of a bitch.
That's funny. Oh, you get it close, bro. Oh, I gotta give it time, bro. I'm gonna have to for you to make all that distance now. A half a lap, matter of fact. Alright. You can lap it, matter of fact. Yeah, maybe my battery's weaker than your battery or something. Of course. Oh man, mine's slow as a motherfucker. Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Damn.
Oh, motherfucker.
Is that the battery you just charged?
No, I still run the same battery.
Oh.
That's the same battery I ran the first time.
No kidding.
Yeah. That was good though. Alright, looks like a marathon got this one.